What is going on, guys? Strongman Survival, back at it again, out here on the trails, getting in the woods and all. Just had lunch, chilled, relaxed a little bit. Now time to make my way out of here before it gets a little dark. Got a couple hours, and it's still good for an adventure. But yeah, so this time it was not about distance. This time it was about, knowledge and learning. I've been trying to study and learn about, more edible plants down here in Florida that I can eat while out and about and everything, good stuff. So, I'm going to do a little walk and talk. I'll post a couple of pictures up and everything of what I had found today and all the edible good stuff. And, yeah. So, head on over to the YouTube channel, Strongman Survival, for the full video, and enjoy. Please share, subscribe, all that good stuff, alright? If you're already there, this video continues. Now, one of the first things I found today was muscadine grapes. They grow wildly down here in Florida. But they're not in season. Okay, so if you find them, they're the jagged, heart-shaped looking leaves. Oh, that's a kind of dead giveaway. But they're not in bloom right now, so no muscadine grapes. Those are good to be picked around August through September-ish in there. We're still in springtime now. So, grows in spring, eats during summer, save it for winter, right? Right. But the leaf of the muscadine grapevine is actually edible. They use them in like Greek dishes and all that stuff there. I can't remember the name of the Greek dish right now, but it is edible. So even if there's no fruit on it, you can still eat the leaf. So you're good there. And another thing on the list, pine needles. Okay, not really edible. I guess you can eat them, but they are best when you make them with tea. Okay, pick a couple off, put them in some water, let the water boil, let it steep for a little bit. Delicious. Okay, packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, vitamin A, good for your eyes, hair, skin, all that good stuff. Boil it up and drink it every day. Not too much, half a cup to a cup a day. Good. But I have heard that, if you overdo it, it kind of runs through you a little bit. But still good for you, moderation. And then that big beauty, the cabbage palm or swamp cabbage. With a little bit of effort, you can eat that. Now you want to find the ones that are, about 5-6 feet tall. You have to cut them down. But what you do is you cut off all the branches and everything. Then you cut off the first couple of feet. Now the edible part is inside of that. Now you have to take all of that and you have to peel it in layers. Take the outer husk off and you keep peeling the skin, The edible part, which is called the palm heart, is the core. Now when you've reached the palm heart or the core of it, you'll look at where you cut it. If it is solid, you haven't reached the core yet. But if you see rings, layers, like how the tree grows out in rings, that is the core. That is edible. It tastes similar to cabbage, like green beans-ish, delicious. But it takes some effort to get to. Now, if you want to try this plant, they do sell it in the store. You just go down the canned vegetable aisle and look for it. It's normally pickled, but it's still really good. So, highly recommend, full of vitamins, delicious. And this is a good one. I lost a picture I took, but a Google picture works just as well. But it's a fiddlehead. Alright, fiddleheads are baby ferns that haven't fully grown out yet. Highly recognizable by their shape, because the stem goes up and curls. So that's the name, fiddlehead. You can eat these, but you cannot eat these raw. Alright? They have to be steamed or boiled. Basically cooked just like broccoli. So if you ever cook broccoli, cook it that way. Okay? And they taste just like broccoli. Some have said it tastes like asparagus and all, but more like broccoli and greens. Man. But cook first. Do not eat while on the trail. Alright guys, so that is going to be all I got for the edible plants today. I had every intention of getting out into the center of the state park that I'm at today and hit up the mountain bike trails that just are more rugged and more rural through the heart of this, state park, right through all the woods and nature and all. But I'm a little tired and the sun's starting to go down. I got maybe an hour before it gets behind the trees over there. So with that being said, I'm gonna head on home and relax. Hope y'all have a good evening. Relax. Y'all get out and have yourself an adventure. Y'all never know what y'all might find. With that being said, if anybody knows the producer or anybody who works with the show Alone on the History Channel, y'all tag them. Put the name down in the comments, something. Let them know that I am open for a spot. And I think I will do good on that show. But yeah, with that being said, y'all take it easy. Have a good evening. Strongman Survival out. I'll see you in the next one.